Hey there, everyone. Today I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Yep, for Super Bowl 53. Patriots versus the Rams. I wanted to do a Cityscape drone footage in downtown Houston, but since the Super Bowl is this weekend, I believe there's some flight restrictions, so I'm not going to take the chance and do any type of renegade filming, drone footage filming. So I'm out here in Piedmont Park, the parking area. It's further up north Midtown, and I will see what I can get, what type of footage I can get up here. May not be what I'm looking for, but at least the 2D footage will get a good shot of the Midtown skyline. Maybe be able to catch some of the downtown skyline. The 360 footage, well, that's gonna be, we'll see how it turns out. All right, latest. Okay, so that was a little bit scary and unnerving. There's all these helicopters flying around, those airplanes with the advertising banner flying around, and I think I almost hit an eagle. It was flying up there, so thank goodness I didn't hit any animals. That wouldn't have been too great, but hopefully the footage turned out great. So add Atlanta to the books. Laters.